Hello everybody, changing the subject a bit. I have an update on the Nokta Pointer. We made a change and we changed the frequency of the Nokta Pointer. So it will not interfere with the Simplex anymore for those people who do not want to buy the Pulse type, but who want the Nokta Pointer and they're scared that it's going to interfere with the Simplex, although we did put a mute function on the Simplex to avoid that. Some people still, don't want the pinpointer to not interfere, or they don't want to use the mute function. I don't know. So we do have an update on the Nokta Pointer, and it's not gonna interfere anymore with the Simplex, so that products starting shipping this week and on, will not interfere with the Simplex. Okay, so all the Nokta Pointers that are leaving the factory as of this week will not interfere with the Simplex anymore, so that okay. This is all I wanted to say. Love you again. Take care. Bye.